Because, well, the fact that it's an Elias means it's a forerunner to Christ. I mean, that's the biggest qualifier it is. Let me just say it. It's Joseph Smith, okay? He's the angel that came from the east. There, I said it. But what's the mission of this angel? Well, it's to bring the divine protection against the destroying angels, the destroyers. I mean, that's the temple promise. That's the temple covenants. That's the endowment. Those are the blessings that we receive through the holy priesthood. And it's clearly saying that in this sixth seal, that the restoration of all things was to commence, and that the priesthood would come forth through a prophet that would be called, an Elias that is to come. This is what the angel ascending from the east is meant to represent. It's to symbolically represent. And we see it referenced again when he says, what are we to understand by the book that John saw? He had this little book that was 7 seals on it. And it says we are to understand that contains the will, the revealed will, mysteries, and the works of God, the hidden things of his economy concerning this earth during the 7,000 years of its continuance, or its temporal existence. So represents the 7 1,000-year cycles of this eternity, this plan of salvation we're in. And then in the book of Revelation, John eats the book. And so Joseph Smith asks, so like, what's up with that? And it says we got to understand that it was a mission and an ordinance for him to gather the tribes of Israel, for John to gather the tribes of Israel. Behold, this is Elias, who, as it was written, must come and restore all things. So again, we see that the Apostle John, he was translated with a mission to preserve priesthood authority on the earth. Why? So that at a future state, he could implement the dispensation of the restoration of all things and commence the final gathering of the tribes of Israel. Again, this is the Elias. So, and this is exactly what we see, where we have John participating in the restoration of the priesthood to the prophet Joseph Smith. Why? Well, for many reasons, one of which being for the gathering of Israel and the restoration of all things. So we clearly have see Joseph Smith and his prophetic role being identified within this 6th seal of the book of Revelation, which is awesome.
Well, and it also speaks to, and this is kind of your talking point, so I'll let you elaborate on it. But this whole idea, and we focus a lot on the apostasy in the church and how there was this great apostasy in the church and how there was this great apostasy. And so we have a tendency to conflate that to where there was no priesthood on the earth. But then these Q&As here, the last couple slides we've looked at, clearly there was priesthood still on the earth. The church that Christ had established had fallen into apostasy, but there was still priesthood. There were still those who had authority on the earth doing and acting in a role to fulfill a mission that the Lord had ordained them to have, which is just interesting to consider that there's likely never been a time in human history where the priesthood in some form has not existed on the earth.
Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.